Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add decals to like frames and like pictures on Bloxburg. So let me just go to build mode and add in like a frame that I can delete later so that I don't have to. Okay, let's do like basic paintings and we'll select this one and we'll just add this to the living room. I'm just gonna try to find, okay, whatever. Exit the build mode and then you're going to go to that frame. Search up like the decals you want on Google. Search like Bloxburg decals ID and then type in pink or whatever. Select change picture and you're going to paste your ID here and you're just going to press add. Sometimes it doesn't work because I think I added the code incorrectly. But basically, once you've added your ID, it can change to a picture that you want. Like so. And that is it. Make sure you search for like the Bloxburg decals ID and make sure you've typed in the correct code or else it won't show up. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.